Hi there. So it's been a really long time that I've made a video addressing students directly. I had done one very long back on certain book recommendations, and I had this nagging urge to do another one recommending a few books specifically to young students, middle school, high school, college students, because it so happened by sheer coincidence that my wife and I, between us, are currently reading some very interesting books. So here goes. The first book that I want to recommend to students is something called Beach Boy. Beach Boy is by Ardashir Vakil, who happens to be an ex-DOSCO, somebody from my school, but that's besides the point. It's a wonderful, thin, short, quick read. And what's so lovely about this is that it's about a young boy, and it explores a lot of themes of issues that preteen, adolescent kids face, from identity crisis to sexuality, experimentation, and these are issues that one doesn't normally come across very often, and they've been dealt with so beautifully, honestly, and deftly in this book. It's a beautiful, quick read. You won't be able to put it down. So mark Beach Boy as one of your reads for sure. What my wife is reading these days is a classic. It's Marani Gayatri Devi's biography, A Princess Remembers. Very different from Beach Boy, and it's intentionally that I curated these three books like that, because they are all three diametrically opposite from one another. A Princess Remembers will take students, journey them to a bygone era and a way of life and a lifestyle that is all but extinct now. And it's the most fascinating time travel that you can do, staying at home, staying safe, especially these days during the pandemic. You don't have to leave your bed or your desk. This book will travel you through the ages, through times, through eras, into the most fascinating and mesmerizing and enigmatic people, places, and happenings through the history of time. So mark this one as well. And the third and final one I would recommend, which my wife and I are actually reading stroke solving together, is this large print crossword puzzle book. Let's not do crosswords on more screen. Let's switch off the screen for a bit, and let's grab a copy on Amazon or from your local bookstore of a large print crossword book and sit together with your siblings, with your parents, make it a family activity and do some crossword solving. It will be invigorating for the mind. It's great fun, it's challenging, it's rewarding. It's really one of the best pursuits. So those are the three books: Beach Boy, A Princess Remembers, and any large print good crossword puzzle book. So students, young and not so young, go out there, read. This time will not return. We are all homebound. We are here per force. Let's read. Let's add to our knowledge. Let's add to our storytelling abilities. Fascinating tales, people, places, events, happenings out there waiting to be discovered. Travel through reading. Bye-bye.